Here's how to change your Facebook Marketplace location. First, you need to go ahead, open your Facebook application, log into your account, tap on the Marketplace section, which you will find between the Reels and the Groups section. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, once you're in the Marketplace, you will see your current location and the radius in the blue text at the top right next to today's pics. Click on that. To change your location, you need to go ahead and search for a new location that you want to set. Search for a town or city at the top of the screen. You can drag to wherever you want to keep it. And then after tap and apply, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Or you can also go ahead and use the search bar in the top to find and set the place that you want. Once you're happy with the location and radius, click on apply, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom, and your marketplace location will be now updated. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.